Hello guys and welcome back on channel. Revolut prepared for us a new crypto quiz, so I show you how to answer for this crypto quiz. Let's go for the crypto tab, scroll to the bottom of this page, section features, push on the learn. Like we see, we have new Polyhedra quiz, what we can answer and get some cryptocurrency. So let's start. Lesson number 1. What is Polyhedra? Read about this, and if you're ready, we can start. What is Polyhedra mission? Building the future of the intelligence. What is zero knowledge proof? A method to prove true without revealing details. What is the name of the proof system invented by Polyhedra? Expander. Submit. Nice. Lesson number 2. How blockchain and AI works together. Read about this. And if you're ready, we can start. What challenge does Polyhedra address? All of the above. What does ZKML stand for? Zero knowledge machine learning. What is the real-world ZKML application? All of the above. And submit. Congratulations, next crypto quiz is done. And if you want to know how to answer for the rest of the quiz, go back to my YouTube channel and you'll see there all of the cryptocurrency quiz and answers for this quiz. If you have any question, post this question below of this video.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and we will see you in the next one.